Okay, so this is my skeletal muscle right here. And so this is the connective tissue, and it has an outer layer called the epimyosin. It's the outer barrier. Each one of these are muscle fibers. Each one of these are muscle fibers, and they're covered in paramyosin. And so they have 3 layers outside them. So this is the muscle. This is the muscle fibers. Then it has the mitochondria, which produces ATP. It produces energy. And then it has the sacrolemma, and that's what's gonna send calcium down the T tubes to go into the myosin and actin. And then it has the nuclei on the outer cell. So with those, this is the sarcomere. And so it's composed of thin and thick filaments, and it has actin and myosin. Those are the 2 things that are going to produce our contraction. And so the actin, so how the contraction occurs, the nerve send an action potential to the body. And so when the action potential is released across the synapse, it generates like the muscle to get to moving, and the action potential travels down the muscle membrane, the sacrolemma. Well, I forgot what it's called, but it travels down through the T waves, and this releases calcium from the sacroplasmic. That's what it is. The sacroplasmic reticulum. It releases calcium into here, and it has it's broken with these Z lines. It's gonna help it contract. And so the calcium binds with troponin. That is one of the things that blocks the myosin and the actin from combining together. So it's gonna bind with it, and it's gonna move the tropomyosin, and it's gonna open the binding sites for myosin and actin, and it's gonna bind. And so once it binds, the muscle is gonna contract, and it's gonna get smaller. It's gonna be contracted.